Good morning, students. Today we shall be continuing with the second extract of chapter number 2, that is Lost Spring. The first extract we had already completed earlier in the earlier lecture. Now, second extract, that is the heading is I want to drive a car. Now, the main character in this is Mukesh. The name of the boy is Mukesh, and he belongs to the family of Bengal makers. Now, many of you might be knowing that there is a place by the name of Firozabad, which is very famous for the bangle making industry. Mostly, if you see the boxes of the bangles, especially the glass bangles, you will find that they have been made at Firozabad. So, Mukesh also belongs to the family of the bangle makers who are living in Firozabad. Now, Mukesh doesn't want to be a bangle maker like his family members. He has his own dreams. He wants to drive a car. Although he doesn't want to own a car because he knows that owning a car is not possible for him. He wants to drive a car by becoming a mechanic at a garage. So what it shows that he belongs to a very poor family. He belongs to a family that is very poor. And when you go through this extract, you will also come to know that it is also an example of child labor. Again, you will find the example of child labor in this, because not only the parents but even the small children, they are engaged in this harmful work of bangle making. The description which is given in this chapter about the place where they are making the bangles, that is, they were the dingy areas, the closed rooms, where there were the hot furnaces on which even the small children used to sit and make the bangles. And because of that, what happened, many of them, they lost their eyesight even before getting the adulthood. So, and even the conditions of their homes were not very good. Not very, they were so bad. We can say that they were so bad that even it is said by the writer that the people, they were living in a primeval condition. Why it is called the primeval condition? Because even the animals and the human beings, they all were living at the same place. That is, they were having mostly the single room, that they were living in a single room houses where they were forced to keep their animals also along with them. And as it was prevalent in our country, still prevalent in many places, the women, they were supposed to do their household work, and whatever the earning, it was done by the males. And even the women, they were engaged in the work of bangle making. They were working at the glass furnaces, and small children also, they were doing the labor. They were the child laborers over there. And even the small girls who were making the bangles, they didn't know the importance of those bangles. राइटर इसमें बताता है कि वो जो छोटी छोटी लड़कियां जो चूड़ियां बनाती थी, उनको ये भी नहीं पता था कि वो चूड़ियां किस लिए बनाई जाती हैं. Why those bangles, they are considered to be sacred. They didn't know that what they signified, and mostly they came to know about it only after their marriage. So, what the condition of these people, the people who were responsible for the condition, the poor condition of these bangle makers were the industrialists, policemen, politicians, and money lenders. That's why it is given in this chapter that it is a vicious circle. Why it is known as the vicious circle? Because it was the circle out of which the the people were not able to get out. It was the situation, that is, from one problem it led to another problem. They weren't getting any solution. They were only forced to move from one problem to another problem. Even if they tried to get united, even if they tried to oppose whatever wrong was being done to them, they were hauled by the policemen and they were put behind the bars. मतलब उनको मार पीट करके जेल में डाल दिया जाता था। तो उनमें से कोई भी डेयर नहीं करता था कुछ और ड्रीम करने का, कोई भी डेयर नहीं करता था उन गलत प्रैक्टिसेस के अगेंस्ट फाइट करने का, क्योंकि उनके को कभी भी वो कोशिश करते थे, कभी भी हिम्मत करते थे तो उनको दबा दिया जाता था। क्योंकि सारे एफ्लुएंट लोग थे, जो सारे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट, पुलिसमैन, पॉलिटिशियन, मनी लेंडर, ये सब मिले हुए थे, सब इनसे प्रॉफिट ले रहे थे। कैसे? क्योंकि जो वो बैंगल्स बनाते थे उनका बहुत कम प्रॉफिट बैंगल मेकर्स को मिलता था। मेन प्रॉफिट जो है वो मनी लेंडर्स और दूसरे जो लोग थे उनको मिलता था। दे वर द रिटेलर्स और द होलसेलर्स, दे वर गेटिंग द बेनिफिट, दीज पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी benefit. And you find many minor characters also in this, that is the women who were working, who were there at Simapuri, the women who were doing the household work, or women who were doing the work of making the bangles. Then you will find there is Mukesh grandmother, मुकेश की ग्रैंड मदर है जो बहुत बूढ़ी है, वो भी अपनी आईसाइट खो चुकी है अपने वर्क की वजह से, पूरा टाइम वहाँ पे फर्नेस के आगे बैठने की वजह से, ग्लास बैंगल्स की डस्ट की वजह से उनकी भी आईसाइट खो चुकी है। और लेकिन उन्होंने क्या एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है कि यही हमारी डेस्टिनी है, कि यही हमारा भाग्य है, हमको यही करना है। और जो बैंगल मेकर्स हैं वो चाहकर भी अपने बच्चों को कुछ और नहीं करवा सकते, उनको ये लगता है कि वो भगवान ने उनको इसी के लिए पैदा किया है और आगे भी वो यही, उनके आगे आने वाली जनरेशन भी यही करती रहेगी। सो मेन कैरेक्टर्स हियर आर द बैंगल मेकर्स एंड रैग पिकर्स. So through the example of bangle makers and rag pickers, what the writer has tried to highlight many things, the many evils that are prevalent in our society, especially the child labor that is prevalent in our society. Even after making so many laws, it has not been eradicated because of the benefits of many of the people who are getting the benefit because of these small children. Even the politicians, they are involved in it, the money lenders are involved in it, and because of their personal profits they don't allow the laws to be properly enacted. In the end of the chapter you will find that there is a hope in the eyes of Mukesh. He tells the writer that I want to be a mechanic. I want to be a mechanic in the car garage so that one day I'll get to drive the car. So at least this boy that is Mukesh, he even dares to dream. Although others they don't even dare to dream, but he dares to dream to become something else except following the profession of bangle makers. So these are the two extracts which are given in this chapter, that is Lost Spring, and I hope you people have understood these extracts. Now after this, in the next session I will be giving you the multiple choice questions related to these extracts. Those questions you have to solve and you have to send me the answers. The previous chapter that I had explained to you before the vacations, I had given you the multiple choice questions, but many of you didn't send me any of the answers. So it will be having the effect on your marks of that you will be getting in your internal assessment. I will want to make it very clear to all of you. So be regular with your work. Thank you.